Robin, front center.
What is it, Batman?
You're fired.
But why?
Because Superman is much better than you, so go away. Superman, come here. Okay, what shall we do? Well, there's some villains downtown, so we can go and kill them. Okay, then. Hey, do you want to hear a riddle? No, we're waiting for Batman. Hello, fellas. Superman, attack! You got it. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna go home now. Goodbye.